Good afternoon, students. Today in SST we will study about the major landforms. Okay, chapter 6, and you have to read the chapter. Okay, now or today I am reading the chapter. You have to listen and try to understand. Okay, here learning objects. First of all, what are landforms? Second, importance of each landform. And third, different kinds of landforms. Okay. Now, what are landforms? Landforms क्या होता है? Landform means the shapes on the ground. We can see different kinds of shapes. Landforms are natural formations or physical features on the Earth's surface that often form the borders between countries, states, or provinces. That means you have seen the mountains, hills, valleys, plateaus, and plains. People have made the boundaries. That boundaries means the area. From there they have divided the separated the different states or the different countries also. Okay, they have made the boundaries from these shapes or the mountains, hills, valleys, plateaus, plains. Okay, so one by one you have to understand. Okay, what is mountain? Mountain is the high area with steep slope having an elevation of more than 1000 feet above from the sea level. Okay, sea level से 1000 मीटर ऊंचा, 1000 फीट ऊंचा जो शेप होता है उसको माउंटेन बोलते हैं. ओके, देन आफ्टर दैट माउंटेन्स हैव कॉनिकल और राउंडेड पीक्स. ओके, माउंटेन का ऊपर में एक तो कॉनिकल होता है, कोना होता है, ऐसा कोना, और राउंडेड पीक्स. राउंडेड मीन्स उसमें कोना नहीं भी हो सकता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट, द माउंटेन्स कैन बी in the many. That means it is the one after one. The mountains can be in one area. That is called the mountain range. The chain of mountains is called a mountain range. That means one mountain after that another mountain, like that, one by one. Mountains are scattered. Okay, that means mountains are called the mountain ranges. Okay, one by one, that is more than one mountain. So in our world, Mount Everest is the highest mountain. Okay, Mount Everest. And after that, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ माउंटेन्स. लेट अस सी इम्पोर्टेंस. क्या माउंटेन्स हमको हेल्प करते हैं? इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ माउंटेन्स. फर्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट इज mountains form a natural barrier against hot and cold winds. That means they protect us from the hot and cold winds from the, mainly in our India, from the north side. Okay, many rivers origin from the snow. Yes, on the mountains snow is found. वहाँ बर्फ पाया जाता है और बर्फ पिघलता है तो हमको पानी मिलता है। और यू नो दैट द many rivers are there, mainly the Ganga, Brahmaputra rivers. In these rivers always, these are perennial, that means always continue flow the water, okay, because ice melts, okay. Mountains are home to rich flora and fauna, that means माउंटेन्स स्लोप पर बहुत सारे जीव जंतु रहते हैं, पेड़ पौधे रहते हैं। माउंटेन्स आर रिच इन मिनरल सोर्सेस, ओके। माउंटेन्स कुछ पहाड़ में बहुत सारा मिनरल खनिज मिलता है। वेल्यूएबल फॉरेस्ट इन द माउंटेन्स प्रोवाइड टिम्बर, ओके, टिम्बर लकड़ी मिलता है। एंड कूलर क्लाइमेट इन द माउंटेन्स अट्रैक्ट्स टूरिज्म। यह कूलर क्लाइमेट को कूल बनाता है, ठंडा करता है। नेक्स्ट अबाउट द प्लाचू, ओके। प्लाचू में कॉनिकल, वो जो ऊंचा, सबसे ऊंचा जगह में पीक नहीं होता। हाँ, पीक कॉनिकल पीक इज नॉट देयर। प्लाचू में ऊंचा बहुत होता है, दैट इज वेरी हाई, बट उनका ऊपर में कॉनिकल नहीं होता, कोन नहीं होता। ए प्लाचू इज लाइक ए माउंटेन विथ अ फ्लैट टॉप, है ना, ऊपर में फ्लैट टॉप रहता है, दैट मीन्स द टॉप मोस्ट पार्ट में वो फ्लैट रहता है। इट इज अ लार्ज हाईलैंड एरिया ऑफ फ्लैट लैंड विथ स्टीप स्लोप्स, यस। इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द टेबल लैंड, that is also called the tableland, okay. Plateau of Tibet, Plateau of Tibet is the important Tibet, and Deccan Plateau in our India, Deccan Plateau is also important, okay. Next, importance of plateaus, क्या importance है plateau का, क्या कोई इम्पोर्टेंस है, देखते हैं। दे आर रिच इन मिनरल रिसोर्सेस, मैक्सिमम प्लेचू से मिनरल मिलता है, खनिज पदार्थ मिलता है। एंड सम प्लेचूस हैव रिच ब्लैक सोइल, कुछ प्लेचूस के पास ब्लैक सोइल है जो बहुत अच्छा, और फॉर द क्रॉप्स कल्टिवेशन इट इज वेरी गुड, ओके। They have many waterfalls. Some plateaus have the waterfalls also, okay, like the Jog Falls. Jog Falls in Karnataka. Yes, this is the example. Next, plateaus have deep canyons. That means canyons means गहरा खाई होता है कहीं कहीं plateaus में। Grand Canyon in Colorado in USA is a famous canyon. After that, scenic beauty ने देखने लायक दृश्य होता है प्लाचू एरिया में। Okay, next let us see the plains. Plains mean the समतल क्षेत्र, मैदान। Plains are many types of plains are there, you know. The grass plains, desert plains, and coastal area. कोस्टल एरिया, समुद्र किनारे का वो मैदान भी होता है, तो घास वाला मैदान, और अलग अलग मैदान होता है, नदी का मैदान। सो प्लेन्स आर द वास्ट स्ट्रेचेस ऑफ फ्लैट मेनली ग्रासी एरियाज, ओके। दे आर नॉट मोर देन 200 meters above the sea level, okay. Now plains can be divided into two groups. First is coastal plains, and second is interior plains. That means you have to understand, coastal plains means समुद्र के किनारे का मैदान, और interior plains माने inside the country, जो प्लेन होता है समुद्र के किनारे नहीं होता है, और उसको द इंटीरियर प्लेन्स बोलते हैं. ओके, नाउ importance of plains. Plains provide highly fertile and productive land for cultivation. ये प्लेन बहुत अच्छा खेती के लिए होते हैं, and for the many towns and cities also situated in the plains, that is good for living area, for the transportation also, so that is good for the people mostly populated is सबसे अधिक लोग रहते हैं the plain area में. Okay, now the desert, you know, where the not possible to cultivate the crops, but some areas the people nowadays growing, और कुछ जगह में वो लोग खेती करते हैं, but there the plants are thorny. maximum plants are thorny plants. कांटेदार पौधे पाए जाते हैं वहाँ. Okay, some part of country are covered with sand. A sandy land is called a desert. Okay, now in this area the cactus is the main plant in the desert area. Importance of deserts are primary source of table salt. डेजर्ट एरिया में सोल्ट पाए जाते थे और पाए जाते हैं, वो दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड ऑल्सो बोरेट्स, पोटेशियम and sodium nitrates and gypsum also in desert areas found. Half of the world's stores of the fossil fuels come from desert lands. Desert area से fossil fuel पाया जाता है. That means you know the petroleum जो मिलता है वो desert area से मिलता है. And about half of the world's diamond also, हीरा, diamond, copper, gold, bauxite, iron ore and uranium also found in the desert areas. Now let us see about the river. Is the another landform. River, you know, a river is a large natural stream of water that flows in a channel towards an ocean, a sea, a lake or another river. That is called the river. Okay, river is very important for us, and you know that the water is found in the river, and that is the water is used for irrigation, and other the fish, yes, fish is found, and other kind of animals also found in the river. A tributary is a small river that joins a big river. जो नदी जो छोटी होती है और बड़ी नदी में मिल जाती है, that is called the tributary. Okay, tributary. Yes, and it has the three parts. This upper. The first of all, the upper course, middle course, and lower course. Okay, and after that, oceans. You know the oceans. How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans in the world. Okay, the 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Okay. Oceans are filled with water, and it's the vast area. Oceans are very large water bodies separated by continents. Okay, These are also the it is also the landform. Okay, and after that the sea. Sea is a large body of salt water surrounded in whole or in parts by land. Yes, sea is a large body of salt water surrounded in whole or in parts by land. Okay, sea is also important for the minerals and the water and the minerals, and for the transport. Okay, and beside the sea, many kinds of uh, the crops people do. खेती करते हैं. So next is the lakes. Lakes is not the river. Okay, lakes are bodies of water, either fresh or saline. Saline माने जहाँ पर salt, सॉल्ट भी होता है, इन नेचुरल डिप्रेशंस ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ, that is called the lakes. And lakes are also important. Lakes as a source of water. Lakes are very important for the fishing and for the tourism and the recreation also. Okay, so these are the lakes and sea, and these are helping in the environment balance. Okay, so these are the landforms. Thank you, students.